Have you heard about the Hyde?
What Hyde?
The Hyde.
Yeah lah, what Hyde?
I'm talking about the development, the Hyde.
Oh, you mean the Hyde
Yes.
in Balmoral in D10?
Yes,
Yeah. Why leh?
Yeah, so Hyde has just obtained their TOP just recently, and they have TOP discounts of up to 185,000 for even their one-bedder units. Comprising of 117 units of 1 to 4 bedders, the Hyde is an upmarket freehold boutique development that is located in one of the most prestigious neighbourhoods in Singapore, Balmoral, located in District 10. Located just about 3 to 4 minutes drive away from downtown Orchard, the Hyde is an elegant lifestyle development with a facade that exudes rustic charm amidst the serene Balmoral neighbourhood and the luscious greenery of Goodwood Hill.
One of the most impressive things about the Hyde is that this is an award-winning condo development built by an award-winning developer.
Wait, you mean the Hyde is an award-winning development?
Yeah, you mean you didn't know that? The Property Guru Asia Property Awards was actually established in 2005 and is the gold standard within the real estate industry for honours. So back in 2019, Aurum Land, which is the developer for the Hyde, had actually won the Best Boutique Developer. And the Hyde itself, it actually won the Best Boutique Condo Development in the High Density category. So, what's so great about the location?
So besides being located in the prestigious District 10 of Singapore's core central region, the Hyde also has ease of access to number 1, Orchard Road, which is just 3 minutes drive away, where all your makan and retail needs are met. Secondly, it's also a 5 minutes drive to Novena, where there are multiple preferred enrichment centres for your children, one of them being United Square. Thirdly, it is also a short distance away from Botanic Gardens, Singapore's first UNESCO World Heritage Site.
For many parents out there, you might have heard of the famous Bukit Timah Educational Belt right here in Singapore. And over here at the Hyde, we have not one, but 2 top primary schools within a 1 kilometre radius. They are ACS Primary, as well as Singapore Chinese Girls Primary School. And within a 2 kilometre radius, we have ACS Junior as well as SJI Junior.
So Winston, being an award-winning development, what can we expect to see of the Hyde?
Well, firstly, Aurum Land is a fully owned subsidiary of Wohab. And in case you didn't know, Wohab is actually a leading construction and civil engineering specialist behind some of Singapore's most iconic developments, including the Leiden, Interlace, Gardens by the Bay, Jewel at Changi Airport, just to name a few. So as such, we expect there to have some influence on the design and construction of the Hyde.
In fact, when you enter the development, right, you'll be greeted by cinnamon brown panels of the facade, right, which gives the Hyde this warm rustic feel, making it the most iconic development in the entire Balmoral neighbourhood.
What's cinnamon brown, bro?
It is
Tony Brown.
It is cinnamon brown, bro.
No, I'm sure it's Tony Brown.
Oh, bro, it is cinnamon brown. You watch too much 50 Shades of Grey, now you think 50 Shades of Brown. One of the most impressive things about the Hyde is that despite being a boutique development with 117 units, it comes with 4 pools, with the most eye-catching one being the Constellation Pool. With the lights in the water, it looks just like stars in the pool at night. If you're wondering how the interior looks like, the whole house, for all 1 to 4 bedroom units comes with marble flooring in the living, dining and kitchen areas. For the bedrooms, comes with natural timber finishings. In addition to that, top-of-the-line European kitchen appliances, sanitary wares and fittings will be provided. All units, including the 1-bedders, comes with thermo-filtered water dispenser taps. Any bedroom type from 2+ guests upwards gets to enjoy the exclusivity of private lift. So, if I want to buy a home here at the Hyde, who can I expect to be my neighbours?
Well, having one of the most sought-after addresses right here in the core central region of Singapore, I think it's fair to expect about 20 to 30% of our occupants to be well-heeled foreigners. As for the rest, well, I think there is a significant percentage to be families who prioritize their kids' education as they reside along the Bukit Timah Educational Belt. And of course, I'm very sure many of our buyers are those who appreciate and are willing to pay for the finer things in life.
So Winston, about the prices, I heard there's an ongoing promotion. How do the prices compare to the original price?
Oh, let's start with the one-bedder units. Previously, we had good-sized one-bedder units that were going at this price.
And now, as of this recording, they're going at this price.
And for the two-bedders, previously we had units that were going at this price.
And now, they're going at this price.
Bro, so what about the three-bedders?
Three-bedders, they were initially going at this price, and now they're going at this price.
Wow, bro, you eat, huh? How come your memory so good? All the prices can remember one more.
Anyway, if you'd like to know what the latest prices and promotions are, don't hesitate to drop us a text at these numbers.
And of course, in the meanwhile, if you like what you have seen so far, please help us to click on the like and subscribe buttons below so that you stay updated with all our latest videos.
So back to where we were, how does the Hyde compare to other homes in the area?
Today, we will be making a comparison of the two-bedroom units with the lowest entry price for these three projects, Juniper Hill, the Hyde, as well as Sloane Residences, because they are all closely located from one another. As you can see, Juniper Hill has the smallest size unit at 592. As such, there's the lowest entry price of 1.736 mil. Now the Hyde, it's a little bit more generous size at 678 square feet, but nonetheless, it has a more generous price tag of about 2.078 mil. And last but not least, Sloane Residences, which is a ground floor unit, is the most expensive at about 400,000 more costly than Hyde at about 2.485 mil. Now these are all two-bedroom units, but just what is the difference? Let's find out. Now to all our friends, this is actually Juniper Hill. As you can see, Juniper Hill comes with one bedroom, two bedroom, as well as one bathroom. Now compared to the Hyde, this is actually the Hyde. Now this is a dumbbell layout where we have a bedroom on each side of the living and dining area. Now however, the difference lies in the master bath. The master bath is actually en suite to the master bedroom. Well, although everyone has different preferences, but at least for me, I think I would like to have my master bath to be en suite with my bedroom. Now, what about Sloane Residences? What's the difference? Let's take a look. Now, Sloane Residences, this comes with one bedroom, two bedroom, one bathroom, two bathroom, and a little storage area. Well, not too big, but I think we can make do for now. So now, having said that, I think in terms of layout, Sloane probably beats the rest flat. At least it comes with two bed, two bath compared to the other two that comes with two bed, one bath. However, what about the facing? Let's take a quick look. Now, Juniper Hill is on 1002. So exactly where is 1002? Let's take a look at the site plan. This is the site plan of Juniper Hill. As you can see, stack 2 is here. That's facing Ewe Road. In front, just what is it? Let's take a look at the street map. Juniper Hill is just right here with stack 2 over here facing Ewe Road. So just right in front, this is actually Sion, which is a high-rise condo that's about 24 stories high. Meaning to say, well, there is a reasonable chance that you'll be looking into your friends across the road, and your friends will also be looking into your home. Would that be something that you might be able to accept? I'm not too sure. What about the Hyde? Well, as we look at the Hyde, you can see it's on 701. So where is stack 1? Let's take a look at the site plan for the Hyde. Stack 1, it's over here, that's facing the pool area, and just what is right here. On the street map, this is Hyde. Stack 1 is here facing the pool area, and over here, that's where it's facing. This is actually Pine Spring, which is a low-rise apartment of about 4-5 stories. And of course, bearing in mind, our unit is on the 7th floor, well, odds are it would have cleared everything on Pine Springs. And last but not least, what about Sloane Residences? Well, although yes, we like the floor plan because it's a lot more generous, but having said that, it's on the first floor with stack 02. So where is the stack 02 facing? this is a site plan for Sloane. And as you can see, Stack O2, it's actually facing here, and where there is lawn over here. But is there another development here? Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sloane Residences. Stack 2, it's over here, and it's facing what you call here 19 Balmoral Road, that it's Balmoral Grove. So, meaning to say, you are definitely going to look into the development that's just right beside you, and vice versa. So, let's take a look at the comparison once again. Now, between Juniper Hill and Hyde, for the difference of about 80 square feet, well, you have a difference of about 340,000. Both are 2 bed, 1 bath, except that the Hyde has an ensuite master bath. Well, if we compare the Hyde versus Sloane, for the price difference of 400,000, the difference is primarily a bathroom and a storage area, but you compromise in terms of the facing and privacy. So now, to all friends out there, what will you choose?
Among the new developments that are coming up in the area, if you like something that offers more living space, and if the little details such as the facing of the home matters to you, the Hyde is definitely a project that you should consider.
But of course, if you need even more space but don't like homes that are a little older, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to show you resale homes in the area that best suits you. With that, I'm Winston.
And I'm Jed, and if you want to see for yourself what is the hype at the Hyde, do contact us at the numbers above.